So hey geeks, this is Karthik and welcome back to Codeolin. So guys, in the previously video we have discussed about how to create a first class in Python, and in this video we are going to discuss about class method in Python. So before getting late, let's get started. And guys, meanwhile you can visit on codeolin1.pythonanywhere.com, and in this website you can learn 7+ languages, and with that you can run your program on it. So don't forget to visit, and I will provide that link in the description box. So let's open up Visual Studio Code, and the usual, let's create a new file in the advanced Python folder, and inside that folder, inside that class objects folder, you have to create a file, and that file name gonna be class method.py. And guys, before writing some codes, we have some knowledge about what a class method. So guys, basically class method is an inbuilt function in Python which returns a class method for a given function. So guys, a class method are bound to a class rather than an object. And guys, a class method can be called by both class and objects. These methods can be called I just mean with the class or with the object. The example below clearly illustrate this. So guys, first of all, let's create a class, and that class name gonna be student, and then you have to create a variable, and that variable name gonna be name, and inside this I will type Karthik, and after that you have to type create function actually, and then comment out this, and after that you have to create a definition, and then you have to type a print underscore not there, you have to type print underscore name, and then you have to type obj, which is object, and after that you have to type print, and then you have to type just wait a second guys, then you have to type the name is, and then you have to type comma, and then you have to type obj dot name, and after that guys you have to type student. Outside the class you have to type student dot student underscore print, and then you have to type underscore name is equal to class method, and then you have to type student print name, and after that you have to type student underscore print underscore name, and now run this file guys. Just wait a second, let me run this. So you can see guys, there is an error, so let me fix this first. Oh guys, you have to first of all type this, you have to first of all type I just mean declare class, and inside that you have to create a variable, and that variable name gonna be name, and you have to assign with it with the string, and in this case I just assign it with Codeolin, and after that I have created a function, and that function name gonna be print underscore name, and I have to pass some parameters, so I pass obj, which is object, and after that I have typed print, and the name is semicolon space and then comma obj dot name, and after that I have added a comment, and inside that comment you can see create print underscore name class method. Before creating the line print underscore name, it can be called only with objects, not with class, and then after that I have just typed student dot print underscore name and class method student dot print underscore name, and I have declared it, I have called it. And now guys, let me run this file. You can see guys, the name is Codeolin is printed. So guys, this is the power of class method, and this is the right way to use it. And guys, now uses of class method. So guys, the class method is class method function is used in factory design pattern, where we want to call many functions with the class name rather than object. And guys, the class method decorator. The class method decorator is inbuilt function in decorator, which is an expression that gets evaluated after your function is defined. And guess the result of that evaluation shadows your function definition. A class method receives the class as the implicit the first argument, just like an instance method receives the instance. So guys, I hope you understand this class method, and guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Codelearn Docs. And guys, you can follow us on Instagram, and I will provide that link in the description. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So bye bye, see you later and take care.